Hello, my name is David, and I'll be going over this integral. If we notice, this integral looks a lot like the derivative of an arcsecant. And if we remember what's the derivative of an arcsecant, which is u prime over the absolute value of u times the square root of u squared minus 1, right? So because of that, we want to make it look very similar to this so we can integrate it. And because this would be the arcsecant. Okay, so looking at this, if we try just u substitution in the square root, we're gonna get u squared plus 6x. Then we derive it. That'll be 2x plus 6 dx. And if we take out a 3, it would be 1/3. Oh, sorry, du x plus 3. And then we see that there's not an x plus 3 in the numerator. So this thing won't work. So we want to analyze it a little more. Let's look what's inside the radical, which is as x squared plus 6x. So if we complete the square of this 6x to make it into a simplified polynomial, it would be 6x to complete the square, 2 square root 2, that would be 9. Yep, that would be 9. Okay, so let's rewrite it. So the integral of dx, x plus 3, this will be x squared plus 6x plus 9 minus 9, because we cannot just add a 6. This makes it equal. So now, if we take this right here, we can factor this. And if we factor it, I always do the box method just to double check my work. So x squared, 9x, so it'll be 9x squared, 6x, two numbers that will multiply to 9 and two numbers that will add up to 6 is 3. So it'll be 3x, 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 x, and 3. Okay, so now they both match, so we can write this thing as this. So we rewrite our integral. We can do dx x plus 3 and then x plus 3 squared minus 9. Okay, and this looks very similar to the identity because look, both of these u's have to be the same, and they are. And the u prime is up here. The prime is, yeah, it's right on top of here. So now let's start assigning values. So we can say that u is equal to x plus 3, right? And then we can say that a is equal to, there's technically a squared right here. So this will just be 3. A is 3. So if we remember the identity of this thing, it will be 1 over a arcsecant absolute value of u over a plus c. So now we have all the pieces. So let's start doing this. So we say that a is 3, so it will be 1 over 3, and then arcsecant, absolute value of u, so x plus 3, and then over a, which we have it, which is 3 plus c. And this is how you solve for this integral. The main challenge of this was just trying to recognize that you need to complete the square. I'm sure there's other ways you can do it, but for me, this is the most straightforward way. Yeah, that is pretty much it. Thank you.